Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I ask you something in confidence?
I suppose.
You see, I've always been more of a follower. I've never questioned it before. But I feel drawn to you, and here goes. Why is it that birds are always standing on the edges of things?
Oh. Well, that has a rather obvious answer. There's so much more to see.